This is Autumn by Joep Beving, one of the less popular pieces, but it was requested, so here it is. I'll start with 20 seconds of the music, and then I'll show you what you need to do yourself. For now, here comes Autumn. There's the main phrase. So we're going to begin with the left hand, but I should say that this piece is quite free rhythmically. I will count certain sections just to sort of give you a way to orient yourself. But once you learn it, you can kind of scrap all that and kind of do it by feeling. That's what he does. It is structured rhythmically, but it's so free that it doesn't really make sense to count this once you've actually learned all the notes and placed them correctly. Left hand first. We start with the bottom A. And then we have 1 and 2 twice. Notes first. I'll count it in just a moment. Next bar, low F. Come on up to 5, 3, and 1 to finish the phrase. That's our first little phrase. If I was to count this, we'd get something like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and there's the left. Now the right hand, we're going to begin with 1 and 2 twice, a single F above, immediately followed by a pinky and a 1 twice. And most of these notes play with the left. So let's see how they interact. We have left alone, together, together, then 1 F on its own, and then together, and together. There's your first little phrase. The next phrase is almost the same, just a little more elaborated. Right? So we have left hand first, A octave this time, 1 and 2 twice, 2 once, then the next bar, F octave, up to 5, 3, 1, and a 3 to close off this phrase with like a little tail. If I was to count this, we'd get this. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and like that. Now the right hand. We start almost the same way, we just have an extra 4. 1, 2, and 4 for the first couple chords. We have 1, 2, 4 twice. Then that F again by itself, quick, followed by 5 and 1, a thumb once, and 5 and 1 again. Let's see how the hands pair. Left alone, together, together, left, right, together, right, together, left. I should also say that I wrote down this piece just by listening to him play it. It was a transcription, and his piano is very muffled, a little bit like this one. I tried to recreate his. And it's not so easy to pick out all the notes that he's playing, but I did my best. Some of the changes later on, another little disclaimer, is since he repeats large swaths of this music, later on in the piece. He makes little cosmetic changes, probably improvised. It's not written down, it's just something that he did kind of off the cuff. And I've eliminated those so that when you have repetitions, I've only kept the repetitions where there's clear structural, melodic, or harmonic differences. Small little cosmetic changes I've eliminated. So for better or for worse, that's what it is. Moving on. Next couple bars, we have left hand first. C sharp below, octave. 1, 1, 2. Next bar, the pinky comes to D. Back to 2, 1, and back to 2. If I was to count this, there would be something played on every beat or half beat that is spoken. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and. As far as pedaling is concerned, you can generally change wherever the bottoms change, right? When you have this low note or octave, you can change then, but it really depends on you. It's a very airy and free piece, so you can kind of wing it and see what you like and how your piano responds to this music. All right, that's the left. Now the right. We have 1, 3, and 5 twice. Then a pinky by itself again. 5 and 1 resolves to 4 and 1. Let's see how the hands interact here. We have left, together, together, left, right, together, left, together, left. Beauty. Moving on. Okay, so this phrase is 4 bars long, and this phrase will finish off the large scale sentence that we have. Left hand first. B flat, octaves, 5, 3, and 1. Next bar, A flat octave, 5, 3, 1. And then 5, 2, pivot on 2, reach C sharp, back to 2, and finish on an A. Again, simplest formula here is wherever you have the bottom changes, the pedal changes as well. So 1 pedal for this, 1 pedal for this, and then 1 pedal for all of this, because that's all A major. Now onto the right hand. We're going to continue this on our website. So if you'd like to finish off the rest of this, and we're going to kind of divide it into 2 series of tutorials, you'll find the whole thing in all its glory and all its parts on our website. And if you feel like I've earned it, subscribe. I'll see you in the next ones, guys. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments what you'd like next, and happy to have you. See you soon.